Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about important facts about blood. Means what is the normal volume in a human body, how much blood should present, and all normal value I am going to tell you. So let's begin. Number 1 is how much is the blood volume should present entire the body of the human. Okay. So how much blood volume should present? That is 5 to 6 liter. How much should present? Entire of the body, the blood volume should present 5 to 6 liters of blood volume should be there in the human body. And the next one is how much is the number of red blood cells? How many red blood cells should present in the human body? We all know red blood in the blood cells we have red blood cells, white blood cells and all. So these are like very important for the human body. Blood cell production is. So what is the number of red blood cells should present is, in this also for males is different and female is the different count. For the male especially it should be around 5 to 5.5 million cubic per mm. This is for males, okay? And the same thing for female, it should be around 4.5 to 5 million per cubic mm. Same thing for females, it should be around 4.5 to 5. This is for females. For male it should be 5 to 5.5 million cubic per mm, and for females it should be around 4.5 to 5 million cubic per mm. Okay, this is the number of red blood cells that is produced in the body. We everyone know about white blood cells. White blood cells that is very helpful for fighting against harmful diseases and all. So like it is a very good, white blood cells are very good for fighting against so many bacteria, viruses that is entering into the body. So number of the white blood cells that should be around, normal number that should be 5,000 to 10,000 per cubic mm. 5,000 to 10,000 cubic mm. This is the actual count for number of white blood cells that should be present in the body. And what is the blood platelet count? How much should be number of blood platelets present in the body? That should be around 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per cubic mm. 1,50,000 to per cubic mm. 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per cubic mm is the normal blood platelet count should be there in every human body. So these are the main important facts about the blood. That is, blood volume should be around 5 to 6 liters. Number of red blood cells for males it is 5 to 5.5 million cubic mm, and for females it is 4.5 to 5 million cubic mm, and number of white blood cells that is should be 5,000 to 10,000 cubic mm, and blood platelet count. blood platelet count should be 1,50,000 to 4,50,000 per cubic mm. In human body, in blood especially, like in white blood cells also there is a differential leukocyte count. That is, in white blood cells also there are number of cells that should be there within a normal limit range. So these are helpful for fighting against harmful like viruses, bacteria and all. This is very these cells are very important to fight against the diseases. How much should be their number? Number of basophils. Basophils number should be 0.5 to 1%. Zero 0.5 to 1% should be basophils. Eosinophilia should be 1 to 3%. And monocytes should be 3 to 8%. Neutrophils should be 40 to 70%. And lymphocytes should be 20 to 25%. So how much should be the total leukocyte count? That is white blood cell count. How much should be? Basophils should be 0.5 to 1%. Eosinophilia is 1 to 3%. Monocytes should be 3 to 8%. Neutrophil should be 40 to 70%. And lymphocytes should be 20 to 25%. This should be the normal basic leukocyte, differential leukocyte count, that is white blood cell count should be there in the blood. This is the normal range for the blood cells. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.